Good, my people. So today we are going to look at EURUSD, the last day of trading, the 20th of June 2025. So as on the previous day, you noticed that the market opened, went down, broke its structure before the market was closed. It closed when it has taken this high which I had talked about, and I had said that we were aiming to this high the next. So as you can see, the market opened and just shoot up to this high here, and you can see this was the last candle that took out that high, and there was a nice minor retracement here, of which I had a very nice trade that I will be showing you in a minute. So let us dive in to the 15-minute time frame so that I can show you how I took the buy trade. And as you can see, first on the 1 hour time frame, you will notice that there is a very big order block here after the market tried to retrace for a bit. Before taking out this high, there was a nice little order block there. So that was where I based my trade and took the buy trade from there. As you can see here, the market retraced. This is the last candle of that order block on the 1 hour time frame. The 1 hour time frame is the whole 1 hour candle, which when it's seen here, it's a little bit, a lot of candles here which represent the 1 hour time frame. This is a strategy that you can use to determine the trades, but that's a story for later. So as you can see here, the market retraced down, took out these lows here, but you can see the bodies respected this order block here, the last one. And when the market did that, took out this body, and there was a market structure shift here, of which I dropped down to the 1 minute time frame to identify that market structure. I was looking at the 1 minute time frame chart. As you can see here, this is the move that went and took out those lows. This is the last downward move, and it formed a high here. And when it formed a high, this line confirming that there was a nice market structure here. And after that market structure shift, there was a fair value gaps were left here. This is another block, and this is the last candle. This is the last candle that took out this liquidity which was here. This candle took out this liquidity, formed another block, which was my area for taking my. I knew the candle, the market delivery won't let the market pass past this liquidity here. This is where I had expected my stop loss to be, of which I entered here, took my stop to this low here before these fair value gaps here. These fair value gaps weren't reached since as you can see at the back of these trades, there were a lot of trading activities, which means that this whole range was already filled, so it just had to punch up, taking out these highs here, and you can see my stop was there and my TP on those highs here. And with that, it was a very nice buy trade, less than 2 hours trade. With that, let us meet on the next review. Goodbye, guys.